Sewing machine timings. In simplest terms, when the sewing machine works right, it is in time. When it doesn't, it's out of time. Timing, however, is not just one adjustment on a sewing machine. The entire sewing machine, all of its parts, must work together, move in harmony, coordinate, synchronize, to properly form the locked stitch. When all the parts are doing this, the sewing machine will form stitches as you expect. However, if any part of the sewing machine is out of adjustment, you will see skipped stitches or possibly no stitches at all. There are actually 7 common adjustments that must be made to keep the sewing machine in time. The 7 common adjustments affecting sewing machine timing include the needle bar height, the needle bar movement, bobbin carrier position, the hook needle clearance, the hook needle timing, the feed dog height, and the feed dog timing. Look for our next video, Timing Part 2, on YouTube. Now, learn sewing machine repair for fun or profit with Fix Sewing Machines Institute.